Your system is lagging not because your system is bad, not because the RAM is too weak, not because the hard disk is misbehaving. It is because there are some certain things you need to put in place and you ignore. That is what we call system services you need to disable so that your system will run to its best. In today's video, I'll be giving to you some system services you need to disable now for maximum performance on your laptop PC, on your PC. First, let's open a task manager and see how the CPU is being run on my computer. Right click on this start button, then locate and click on task manager. Let me quickly expand this, then come to this performance and you see it here. Now take a look at my processor. It's working at about 202. This is very high because some systems are using my RAMs for some unwanted activities. That is what you need to do so that your CPU will drop drastically once you enable the system. So if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed to our channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section and give us thumbs up. So come to this place that calls services on your device. Once you open it, click on it. Once you click on it, you have yourself at this place. These are the services that is running on your computer and they make your computer run slowly or lagging while playing game or while doing other important things on your computer. To this side where you see status, most of these things that is running here, they are causing your system to run slowly. But guys, I've made it a deep fit for you to bring out some systems you need to disable here so that your computer will stop running to its maximum. Here are the list. So let's move on. The first one here is assign access manager. So these are the services that is running. Now to fully edit all the services, come to this side, open services. Once you click on this button, then it comes out like this. Then you have access to all the services in your device. So let's quickly turn off or disable these services one after the other. The first one I want to disable here is what is called Bluetooth support device. So if you are using a Bluetooth supporting device like your mouse, don't disable it. But if you use wireless mouse or you don't connect Bluetooth to your device, make sure you disable it. Then how do that? Just right click on it, then click on properties. Once you click on properties, then come to this startup menu. Make sure you click on this, then click on disable, click on apply, click on OK. This will disable the Bluetooth on your startup on your service because I use Bluetooth right away and the Bluetooth I'm using is connected to my mouse, so I will not stop that. But if yours is not using Bluetooth, then I will encourage you disable this. Another set of service that you need to disable right away is the Xbox services, the X Live network service, the Xbox accessory management, the X Live game services, the Xbox alt manager. Make sure you disable everything. All the Xbox is of no use to your computer. Just right click on them, then property, come to this place. If it is on any of these, just click on disable, click on apply, then click on OK. Make sure you disable all the X services on your device. This will make your device to run to its best when next you are using it. So do the same thing for X Live game, X Live alt manager, Xbox accessory manager. Make sure you disable all these. The next one you have to disable is wallet services. So this as well, you need to disable these. Then how do you do that? Just click on it, right click, properties, then here select disable if it is on automatic delay start or manual. Click on disable, click on apply, click on OK. Then wallet services will be disabled and this will improve your computer to the best of its performance. The next one you have to disable is window biometric services as well. Click on it, right click, property. If it is on any of these three, just make sure you click on disable, apply, OK. The next one you have to disable is window error reporting service. You don't need this one here as well. Click on it, right click, property, then click on this button to select disable, apply, control and OK. This will help your computer to perform better when you are using it. Then this particular one, work folder services as well. Click on this one, right click on property, then click here to disable it, apply and OK. This will also make your computer to run perfectly okay. Then another one that you need to take a look at is this Windows Mobile Hotspots services. Click on it, right click on it and select property. If you use hotspot on your device, do not disable this. Preferably set it to manual so that you manually select your hotspot when connected to your device. So use as manual, click on apply, then click on OK. But if you are not using hotspot at all on your device, make sure you set it to disable, and this will also improve your system. It makes your system to run perfectly okay compared to when you allow these services on your device to run services on your device to always running. Another one you need to disable is NetLogon. This one, right click on it as well, property, then if it is working, then you stop it. Then here click on disable, click on apply, click on OK, then right click on it. You see it is not working, so if it is working, then you need to stop it. Another one you need to disable is parental control. This button, if you do not use this to control your children or your kids around you, then it's of no use to your device. Right click on it, property, then don't forget that you need to come to this place, select disable, apply and OK. The next one is phone services. If you are not using phone service on your device, then there's no need of you allowing this to waste your RAM. So right click on start. But guys, I use phone service on my device, and you can set it manual. It tells you that I manually access and I manually ask this one to trigger when I want to use on my device. So but if you are not using it at all on your device, all you have to do is to come to this place again, disable, then apply and OK. So this will help you to improve your computer in performing very well. Another one that you need to disable is this one, print spoiler. If you use your device for printing, then let this one work. But if not, then right click on it, property, then stop it, let it stop. Now after it has stopped, then click on it. You can use manual or disable, but for the sake of this video I will allow you to disable this. Then click on allow, then click on OK. So this will help your computer to run very fast. Another one is sensor services. If your device is not using a sensor's activities, then there is of no use on your computer. My device has sensor, but I'm not using it, so I would like to disable this. Right click on it, on property, then click on this place, disable, apply, then click on OK. This will also improve your system to perform very well. Another one is smart card service. This one, right click on it, enable it if you are not using the smart card service on your device. So I will encourage you allow this one to be manual in case you might want to use the smart card on your device. But if you are not using it at all, then right click on it, click on disable, apply and click on OK. But I want to manually use this one, or manually make it available when I want to use it. So I will select manual rather, then click on apply, then click on OK. So all these settings will help to improve all the services on our device. The next one that you need to take care of is remote desktop configuration. This one, right click on it, then click on property. You see it's on manual, so click on it, you disable this, then click on apply, click on OK. So these settings make your computer to run very fast. Each time you use your computer, you feel happy, you feel excited, because your computer will always give you what you wanted. You don't need to wait a longer time before your computer responds to your commands. Another one is this one that says diagnostic execution services. This one, right click on it, then properties, then here is manual, click on disable, click on apply, then click on OK. This will help your computer to run smoothly. Another one is connected user experience. Right click on it, property, disable, make sure you click on disable, apply and OK. Another one that you need to trigger right away, that is what we call geolocation services. Click on it, right click, then property, click on this, disable, apply, OK. The next one is BitLocker Drive encryption service. So right click on it, properties, disable here, then apply and OK. So if you are able to do all this, then your system will run perfectly to its best. Now close this page, then come back to the performance again. you can see that the performance reduced. Not only that, then come back to this processor. Now take a look at what is running here. If any of this is not in use, just shut it down by right clicking and end this task. Then come back to startup apps here. A lot of users ignore this. Make sure that all the startup users here that starts up whenever you power on your computer, if they are of no use, make sure you disable them. This will reduce the amount of the RAM you use on your device, thereby making your device run smoothly to its best. So that's all I want to share with you guys today in today's video. So just let me know how it really affects the processor on your computer in the comment section. Thank you guys. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. See you soon guys on our next video.